Hi guys, Down Under Monkey. I got this lock a little while ago off Steel Pinnings. Really great guy. Thanks buddy for this lock. I think we did a trade a little while ago, or I bought some stuff off him. One or the other, but this came with it. I don't really know much about best locks. I do know that this has a control key, which has that bitting, and an operational key which has that bitting. And the thing I like about all of this kind of stuff is that you can just pop the cores out and swap them around with other stuff, which is really nifty. You only need the control key to get it out. Excuse me. I can't get the key out of that now. Oh, struggle street. So it does work. It's a really neat looking little lock. Really appreciative to get something like this, because it's just a really cool little lock. So I was going through a bunch of my old stuff, and I thought I better get picking on some of the stuff that I've acquired over the last few months. So I figured let's crack on this one. I have been trying to pick my Schlage Everest. No success on that one yet. I'm not really 100% sure what I'm doing, but we'll get there. Maybe I pinched that too hard. I did. You gotta be careful. Always check your locks before you pick them when you put them in a vise, only because you might be pinching them just a little too tight. So I'm going to give Old Faithful tension bar a crack. Whee, fell out. And I like to use this pick sometimes. Well, not sometimes. I use it a lot. It's a nice pick. Let's have a crack. These weird keyways have been really throwing me off. When I say weird keyways, it's something that's not standard in my country, so anything non-standard tends to make you up your game a little bit because you're not used to it. But if you haven't checked him out already, I don't know what rock you've been living under, but go and have a look at Steel Pinnings channel. The guy's really knowledgeable, really laid back, and his channel is a whole bunch of fun to watch. It was not my intention to do like a shout out, but you know, he's a gentleman, so got to show some love there. Interesting little lock, this one. Okay, so the first pin is just tucked up, binding pin 1, it's just tucked up nice and high behind my tension bar. Okay, that'll do that one. I don't know if anyone else does it, but you can feel clicks through the tension bar of when things are potentially set correctly. It's like a little vibration through the bar. Well, that's what I can feel sometimes. Okay, so there's another vibration through the bar, but I feel like I might have overset something down the back. Just let off a little bit. go back to the front, back to the front, back to the front, and try again. I'm not really even sure how many pins this lock has in it. But I've made a mess of it. Let's just go, let's skip one, try hit another binder. Okay, so that's sort of doing something. I do love these weird little locks from all over the world. I mean, Australia, you got Lockwood. Don't get me wrong, Lockwood's nothing to sneeze at. They got high tolerance, really good tolerances, and some really good products. But you know, grass is always greener kind of scenario where you get locks from different regions, and they're just different. They just feel different, different keyways. You get excited over it. Okay, so that one's good. Definitely lots of clicks going on, so I don't know if it's that multiple shear lines because of the control key and the operational key. But oop, there we go. And that's the operation. Not bad, not too shabby. I'm still not really confident about gutting these, only because I don't really know what I'm doing and there's a whole bunch of parts in there. So, I mean, maybe I'll pull one of these apart in another video, but this came from Steel Pinnings. I don't really want to ruin it because it's a really, really nice lock. Guess I could turn that around. So it does have all the pins in it. You can see them there. It's a 6-pinner. Maybe I'll get up to gutting these one day. I'm pretty sure that tail piece will come out somehow. But anyway, there you go. There's the little best padlock picked to operation and still working again, so that's a good thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.